Navjot Kaur Sidhu, a former leader of the Punjab Congress, has announced the formation of a new political party, the Bharatiya Rashtrawadi Party. The announcement comes nearly 2 months after she was expelled from the party. Navjot Kaur Sidhu, wife of former cricketer and former Punjab Congress president Navjot Singh Sidhu, made the announcement on social media platform X late on Monday night. She described the move as an important step taken after a long wait. It may be recalled that the Punjab Congress had suspended Navjot Kaur Sidhu after she made remarks about 500 crore rupees for the Chief Minister's chair, which triggered a political controversy. In her post, Navjot Kaur Sidhu also shared a photograph in which she is seen with another individual while a banner of the Bharatiya Rashtrawadi Party is visible in the background. She stated that the new party has been formed as a national level alternative after carefully reviewing the performance of current political leaders. Navjot Kaur Sidhu further said that her aim is to restore Punjab to its lost glory and make it a golden state once again. She added that the new party would promote values such as love, mutual cooperation, justice, freedom and selfless love. She also stated that the party would work with a spirit of spiritual development and public service and would strive to achieve its objectives without external interference.